Hey guys, it's me. I am a little behind in making mimics. We're going to be working on some. I had a few orders come in, but I am behind because I ended up getting a tattoo and had an allergic reaction to it. So I am a week behind, but so since I'm not making a mimic just this moment, I wanted to show off some of these eyes that I had custom made at the tattoo convention, believe it or not. This one is ginormous. Like, look at my normal size. I love it. I already have some ideas. If you guys have any, let me know. I have one big chest that I want to put an eye in. I think this would be great. And I also have this gorgeous green one. Oh, I love them. I will put the, actually, let me see. I think I have them right here. Yeah. Boop. Blake's Creative Concepts. He said he hasn't really updated his Instagram just yet, but he makes some really cool resin pieces and he custom made these for me. So I'm super excited to get these in my, one of my projects. I'll keep you guys posted, but yeah, look at how they like glisten. I love it. Anyways, wanted to show you guys that, at least get something out there, show you what I'm working on and why you haven't really seen me that much. But otherwise, have a great one, guys. Peace, bye.